Very good morning to all. Yesterday we have done the worksheet. That's very good. Now let us check the answer. Worksheet 11. The first Roman, fill in the blanks. The first one question, dash is the capacity or ability to do what? The answer is yes, very good. Energy. E-R-G-Y. Energy is the capacity or ability to do work. We get the second one question. We get energy from dash. Yes, we get energy from food. F-O-O-D. Food. And third one question. Mechanical energy classified into dash types. Mechanical energy classified into dash types. How many types of mechanical energy? Yeah, very good. There are two types of mechanical energy. TWO. Two types of mechanical energy. What are they? The kinetic energy and the potential energy. And fourth one, kinetic energy is also known as dash. The energy of motion. Energy of motion. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy of motion. M-O-T-I-O-N. Energy of motion. Kinetic energy is also known as energy of motion. And next fifth one question, potential energy is also known as dash energy of position. Potential energy is also known as dash energy of position. Yes, the potential energy, the storing of energy, store. S-T-O-R-E-D. Stored energy of position or storing energy of position. Another one time I will explain. You check the answer. The first one, fill in the blanks. First question, energy is the capacity or ability to do work. Energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. We get energy from food. F-O-O-D. Food. Mechanical energy classified into two types. TWO2. Kinetic energy is also known as energy of motion. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy of motion. M-O-T-I-O-N. Energy of motion. Potential energy is also known as stored energy of position. S-T-O-R-E-D. Stored energy of position. And next second Roman, give two example. First one, kinetic energy. Already we saw the previous classes, children. The first one, kinetic energy. The examples of what? Moving car, running, cycling, walking. This is examples of your kinetic energy. We will write any two only. But now I write only the what? Moving car. M-O-V-I-N-G. Moving car. C-A-R. Car. And the cycling. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Cycling. So moving car and cycling. And second one, potential energy. Potential energy. The examples of. So this one is also write any two. A raised weight. Yeah. Raised weight. Yeah. Raised. R-A-I-S-E-D. Raised weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. And next one, object lifted above. Object. OB, JECT object lifted, LIFTED, lifted above, ABOVE, object lifted above. So this one give to example. And next one, third Roman, answer the following. What is energy? What is energy? The energy is a capacity or ability to do work. So this is called energy. What is energy? Energy is a capacity or ability to do work. So what is energy? Energy is a capacity or ability to do work. So energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy is, is a capacity, C-A-P-A-C-I-T-Y, capacity or ability, A-B-I-L-I-T-Y, ability to, T-O, do work, W-O-R-K, work. What is energy? Energy is a capacity or ability to do work. And second question, what are the different forms of energy? What are the different forms of energy? We will see the previous class. There are the different form of energy, you know, children. So what are they? Mechanical energy, light energy, heat energy, electrical energy, and solar energy is also. Okay, dear. What? Mechanical energy. And next one, light energy, heat energy, and next one, wind energy, electrical energy, and the solar energy. And then etc. Mechanical, M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C-A-L, mechanical energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, mechanical energy. Light energy, L-I-G-H-T, light energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Heat energy, H-E-A-T, heat energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, heat energy. Wind energy, W-I-N-D, wind energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Electrical energy, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-A-L, electrical energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, electrical energy. Solar energy, S-O-L-A-R, solar energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. So what are the different forms of energy? Mechanical energy, light energy, heat energy, wind energy, electrical energy, and then solar energy. And next one question, third one, define mechanical energy. Define mechanical energy. So the mechanical energy, the energy possessed by an object due to its position. Energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy possessed, P-O-S-S-E-S-S-E-D, possessed by an, B-Y, by an, A-N, object, O-B-J-E-C-T, object due to due, to its position. ITS, its position. POSITION, position. Are you clear, children? So define mechanical energy. Energy possessed by an object due to its position. Are you clear? So another one time I will explain only the question answer. Answer the following. What is energy? Energy is a capacity or ability to do work. What are the different forms of energy? Mechanical energy, light energy, heat energy, wind energy, electrical energy, and then solar energy. Define mechanical energy. Energy possessed by an object due to its position. Are you clear, children? Worksheet 11? Yes. Next we continue the today's session. Are you clear? Okay, dear. Next we continue the lesson. What we discussed yesterday? Yes, we discussed yesterday energy or different form of energy. And different form of energy we will see only the mechanical energy. So mechanical energy can be classified into two types, you know, children. So what are they? One is the kinetic energy and another one is the potential energy. Yes, very good. And uses is also. Are you clear? So now I explain the mechanical energy of uses. Uses of mechanical energy. Now I explain the uses of mechanical energy. Uses of mechanical uses of mechanical energy. Already you know potential energy. Okay, potential energy. The kinetic energy is also known as the energy of position and energy of motion, and potential energy is also stored energy and converted into the kinetic energy, you know, children. And uses of mechanical energy. The first one is the hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power plant. So what do you mean hydro? Hydro means water. Hydro means water. The hydroelectric plant obtained by the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So converted into the what energy? Electrical energy. The first one, hydroelectric plant. So the hydroelectric plant is the kinetic energy. The hydroelectric plant. The hydro means water. What? The hydro means water. The water converted into the electrical energy. The water convert into electrical energy. Electrical energy. And second one, windmill. Second one, windmill. Second one, windmills. They convert into the power of wind. The kinetic power of wind into the electricity. So this one, the windmill is also the converted to the kinetic energy of wind. Kinetic energy of wind. So the wind convert into the same electrical energy. Are you clear? So this one, they converted into the mechanical energy or potential energy. This one, the uses of mechanical energy. And third one, mechanical energy, mechanical energy of hammer. Mechanical energy of hammer. What do you mean hammer? We will use in our houses, you know, children. The force of nail. The force applied. The force of nail, you know, children. So this one the hammer. So the hammer is here one of the mechanical energy. The hammer applied. Hammer applied only the force of nail. Force of nail. And next one, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can bring a body to rest. To bring a body to rest. And another one, to make a body to rest and move. The body to rest and move. So this is called the uses of mechanical energy. The first one point, hydroelectric plant convert into the used of kinetic energy. Hydro means water. The water convert into the electrical energy. And second one, windmills of your kinetic energy of wind. The wind convert into the electrical energy. And third one, mechanical energy of hammer applied the force of nail. And mechanical energy to bring a body to move. The bring body to move or body to rest, and make a body to rest and move. So this is a uses of mechanical energy. Are you clear, children? So next we will see the heat energy. Next we will see the wind energy. So what do you mean wind? Wind means air. Do you know? So what do you mean wind energy? The energy possessed by the wind are called the wind energy. What? The energy possessed. So what do you mean wind energy? The energy possessed by the wind. Flow in and the rotating by the windmills. Are you clear, children? So this is called the wind energy. Wind energy only the possessed by the wind. Possessor means what? Motion. Are you clear? So next one, uses of wind energy. Uses of wind energy. The first one point, the windmill used the wind energy. The windmill used to wind energy and produced generate electricity. Windmills use wind energy to produce electricity. So the power stations, you know. So the wind power station to produce the more than electric power. Electric means power current. Okay. Mostly they applied in the sandal places, the windmills. The more than electric, so summer times we will use the more than electric current or electricity, produce only the windmills. So to produce electricity. Produce electricity. Produce electricity. And second one, and one, the ship shape, use the power of wind. Use the power of wind. So what do you mean ships? The sailors using, in our rivers and seas and ocean. So ship shape, use the power of wind. Use power of wind. And third one point, sports like surfing, sailing and kite surfing use wind energy. Used wind energy. So the third one point, sports like surfing, sailing and kite surfing. Kite surfing means the children playing in the kite, playing in the sky, So this one used the wind energy only. And next one, the wind energy can be used to pumping water. Next one point, wind energy is used to pumping water. So this is uses of wind energy. Uses of wind energy. The first one point, windmills used to wind energy. Windmill used to wind energy. Rotating of fan used to wind energy only. So they generate electricity. More than electricity produced from the windmills only. And next one, ships sail by the power of wind. By the power of wind. And sports like surfing, sailing and kite surfing use the wind energy. And fourth one point, wind energy is used to pumping water. Are you clear, children? So this one, the wind energy. Wind energy. So what do you mean wind energy? Wind energy possessed by the only wind. Possessed by the only wind are called the wind energy. Next we will see the heat energy. Next we will see the heat energy. So next we will see the heat energy. So what do you mean heat energy? Heat energy is important form of energy. So the heat energy obtains the substances of wood, coal, oil and gas. Oil and gases. The heat energy is important form of energy. Important form of energy. So this one, obtain the heat energy, obtain substances of the heating substances. What? The heating substances like wood, oil, coal and next one gases. We use heat energy helps us to cooking food in our houses, children. So the cooking food with the help of heat energy only. Heat energy only. So in our life, heat energy is very, very important. So not produce of heat energy, we not cook the food. Are you clear, children? So now I explain what you mean heat energy. What you mean heat energy? When the temperature of substances. What? When the temperature of your substances. When the temperature of your substances rise. Its atoms. So what do you mean atoms? Atom is one of the chemical elements. What? Chemical elements. Atoms and molecules vibrate or release. Vibrate or release. So one of the kind of energy. Vibrate or release kind of energy. Kind of energy. So this energy is called the heat energy or thermal energy. The heat energy is another name of one of the thermal energy. Heat means thermal power station. So these are heat energy. What? Heat energy or thermal energy. Thermal means heat and heat means thermal. Thermal energy. Are you clear? So heat energy is one of the important form of energy. The heating substances of wood, oil, coal and gases. So the previous 1000 years ago is also the heat energy used to the running engine. So rail engine is also used to the heating of coal. Are you clear, children? And next one, when the temperature of your substances rise its atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules. What do you mean atom and molecules? One of the chemical elements vibrate or release its. Vibrate and release kinds of energy. These kinds of energy are also known as heat energy or thermal energy. Heat energy or thermal energy. And next one, the heat energy transferred from the converted into the hot substances to cold substances. What? The heat energy flows from heat energy is flows from hot substances to cold substances. Hot substances to cold substances. For example, some ice cube you take under the waters of glass. You take some of the ice cube, waters of glass, the water become cold. It is because the heat transferred into the water to ice. Heat transferred into the water to ice. So this is the heat energy flows from hot substances to cold substances. You can feel the heat energy. Why? Yes. So some of the times we will cook the food. So touch some vessels. So immediately subtly take into the hands. So we feel touching to the hot substance, hot vessels. Are you clear? And another one time, rub your hands together. What? Rub your hands together. We feel heat. Are you clear, children? And next one, uses of heat energy. And heat, we can feel heat in the friction. Rub your hands together. And another one, heat is produced by the frictions and the chemical reaction. Heat is produced by the heating frictions and the chemical reaction. Friction and chemical reaction. The first primary heat energy is your sun. Sun is your primary heat energy of your friction. Sun is your primary source of energy. What is this? Sun. The sun is your primary source of energy. So this is your uses of heat energy. So what do you mean heat energy? The important form of energy, the heating substances of coal, wood, oil and gas. So when the temperature of your substances rise to its atoms and molecules, what do you mean atoms and molecules? The atom and molecules is one of the chemical elements, vibrate or release kinds of energy. These kinds of energy are called known as the heat energy or thermal energy. Heat energy, the another one name of thermal energy. Heat energy flows hot substances to cold substances. Why? So you take some ice cube in the water of ice become cold. It is because the heat transferred from the water into ice. The heat produced frictions and chemical reactions. Why we will feel the rub your hands together. The first primary source of energy is your sun. Are you clear, children? Okay. Next we will use the uses of heat energy. Uses of heat energy. Next one, uses of heat energy. The heat energy is obtained by the power station. Power station produce electricity. The heat energy is obtained by the power station. Obtained by the power station. So used to produce, generate electricity. Generate electricity. Are you clear? So heat energy is also produce electricity. Produce, generate electricity. And second one point, the heat energy is used to cook the food. Used to cook food. Are you clear, children? And next one, obtained from the petrol and diesel. The heat energy obtained from petrol and diesel. So the petrol and diesel used to run vehicles. Used to run vehicles. The petrol and diesel used to run vehicles. And another one, the heat energy used to dry wet cloth. Used to the heat energy is used to dry wet cloth. Dry cloth or other wet substances is also. And another one, hard substances. So what do you mean hard substances? Like iron. The iron is heated and mold the very different shapes is also. Heat and mold the many different shapes. Hard substances. The hard substances like iron. The iron is heated and mold the iron, heater and mold them and different shapes. Different shapes. So which one material? Hot substances only. Heat and after the mold the different shapes. Are you clear, children? So this one the uses of heat energy. The heat energy obtained from the power stations of generate electricity to generate electricity, and heat energy used to cook food, and third one obtained heat energy is obtained by the petrol and diesel. Petrol and diesel used to run vehicles, and heat energy used to dry cloth and other wet substances is also a wet cloth, and hot substances like iron, heater to mold the different section into the different shapes. Are you clear, children, today's session? So today we will learn about the what? Wind energy and heat energy. Uses of wind energy and heat energy. Are you clear, children? Thank you for watching video. Worksheet will be given. Complete and send it. Thank you, dear.